or if you are comfortable, I would like to see you. Otherwise, simply unmute yourself and speak. Uh, Pawan Kumar ji, hello, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Nice. Good to see
Happy
you.
to see you again.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I am doing good. I am all recovered well. So great. How are you?
I'm fine.
All right. How is everyone else on the call? Your family, friends, everybody is all right?
Right. My missus also goes to COVID, but now recover.
Okay. Sorry, what did you say?
My missus also facing corona.
But she's recovered now.
Yes.
Yeah, very tough times. So all we can do is just pray for healing the world in our capacity and take good care of ourselves and not be carrier ourselves. Okay, so yeah, Milind, were you able to? Acha, Pawan Kumar ji, you what KDM or 5-day WhatsApp class, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, all right. So there is one more course which I used to do before, which is like a 2-hour complete. I got into more detail in the 5-day WhatsApp class, but if you want to revise, I have opened up right now my Facebook funnel is going, Facebook campaigns are going on where I'm giving this course completely free. Earlier, I used to sell it for 3,000 rupees, but I want this knowledge to reach to many people. So I am going to be giving the link to you because some of the new people are coming from there actually. So I have stopped doing the 5-day live WhatsApp classes, but instead I have opened up my course. So people, as and when people register, they get access to the course. So I'm going to be giving the link to you on your number I have, right? So I'll give you, you can actually access that course. I'm not sure if you've already got that course along with your 5-day WhatsApp. I will check, okay? So welcome everyone. Welcome Nitin, Milind. Yeah, Milind, were you able to access the course, Milind?
Yeah, I could access the course, but I could not finish that, all the content.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Anil Kumar. Good evening, Ashwini. Good evening, Harish. Yeah, so please feel comfortable because the purpose, okay, so now a lot more people have joined. So good evening, everyone. Hope all of you are safe. Your family is safe and you're taking good care of yourself. So I just want to have my contribution here by sharing whatever I have learned in 24 years of professional life, 47 years of my personal life, and I would say 14 years of entrepreneurship. So please make the most of the knowledge and insights that you will receive. So the purpose of this session is to, if anyone has any questions, you are stuck somewhere, you don't know what to do, you want to create your own business, but don't know where to start. Or you already have a business, but you are stuck somewhere, not able to generate leads, don't know how to create your online presence, don't know the language of the digital world, don't know where to begin, have begun doing sessions, webinars, but sales are not happening. Whatever is your challenge, don't have clarity on your niche, which course to digitalize, or simply do live sessions, or first digitalize, how to monetize, how can I use tools which are low cost options so that it is not creating a dent in your pocket right now. So any questions that you have for me, every Tuesday I am going to answer that for you. So who has question right now? Anyone here has a question that I can address for you? So welcome, Amit. See, because when I'm answering your questions, a lot of insights you will receive, varied insights. So there is no point in simply unidirectionally giving a lot of data. At least reach that stage where you can make the most of that data, right? I mean, whatever insights I'm giving, you should be able to apply it, not just know it in your mind. It's good to know, but you learn more. How many of you agree that you learn more by applying or by reading or by thinking or by knowing? Okay, how many of you agree that you learn more by doing?
Yes.
Yes. So I have some questions here. Webinar hai, not Zoom. No, so what has happened? So what?
Yes.
Okay, let me share this particular thing because it will give to all of you also an insight. So what happens is when you do a Zoom meeting, okay, now I have sent this invite to more than 1,200 people. Okay. So when you do a Zoom meeting, the Zoom will not send reminders for the session and then people forget and they don't come. But if it is in the webinar format, Zoom has a setting to remind you 1 week before, 1 hour before, 1 week before. So I was losing out on these automated email reminders. So you can always convert a meeting from a webinar into meeting format and a meeting to webinar format on the fly. So it is little cumbersome, but it helps because this is a hack again, right? Because in this Q&A session, I want to see all of you live. Now, how many of you understand that Zoom has two kinds of formats, right? One is a meeting format, right? Where you simply get the link and you are there. And a webinar format, which is a broadcast, one to many, right? So now the meeting format, I don't have to make participants panelists. You simply come and all of you are there on the screen, right? But in the webinar format, you control the video and audio of the audience. I'm going to mute. May I? Let me. Okay, I'm going to mute all. Yeah. So in the webinar format, if somebody wants to speak, then we'll have to give the access to video and audio. But in the meeting format, you can say there are settings where you can actually enable the participants to have your mic on or video on. So because I have the webinar, I have purchased the webinar subscription of Zoom. If you only have the meeting version of Zoom, it is $15 a month, right? But if you have a webinar format, it is $40 plus $15, which is $55 a month. Is any one of you using, you have more than 1,000 people in your database and you do Zoom webinars with them, then there is one more option to reduce your cost. There is one more option to reduce your costs. Okay, where if anybody is interested about that, then you can just let me know and I will share the details. You can message and I'll share the details. All right. So that's about it. So somebody had a question in the chat, right? YS Rao. Can you come on video, Mr. Rao? How to create Google Ads for e-courses and books. Google Ads. Google Ads. See, I don't think doing Google Ads will be a viable option. Okay, so I'm not a digital marketing expert. I'm more of a strategist. Okay, so what happens is Google Ads are more, your cost for acquisition will be higher for Google Ads, and it requires a lot more. Your website should be in place. On the website, privacy policy, terms of use, all these things need to be in place. Okay, so rather than doing Google ad, I would recommend you to create a Google business page that is free. Put your courses there. Google business page where you can also start collecting reviews. If you are trying to do YouTube videos via Google Ads, that is a good, okay, one input I have here is, though doing ads looks simple on the interface that Google has or Facebook has, okay, but there are a lot more nitty-gritties when you actually do the ad. You have to look at a lot of parameters, the setting up of the target audience, okay, and if that is not done right, you are actually simply wasting your money. Apart from that, there are a lot of analytics also you will have to do to see what is working. So if you have chosen a target audience, it is also very important to fine tune which particular target audience is working for you. So this is actually a full-time work itself. So if you are a content creator, and if you are a non-techie person, are you a content creator or are you a techie person? It will be great if you can come on mic and talk, have a conversation with me. That will, so I can address
Hi.
that. Yeah.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, actually, since last 3 to 4 months, I have published 2 books, and in addition to that, I have published one e-course on Udemy platform. Now
Your audio, one second, Mr. Rao, your audio is not clear. One second, Shalini, I have made you host. Can you please move some of the participants to attendees because there are many people who have joined in. You click on their name and in the more option, you can simply.
I'll do it.
Great. Yeah, sorry, go ahead, Mr. Rao.
can you hear me now?
You still, go ahead, speak, I'll let you know.
Okay. Actually, as I told you that I have authored 2 books in last 3 to 4 months, and I have published one e-course also. Okay, on Udemy platform. Now my concern is that I want to advertise these products and sell these products. Although my books are available on Amazon platform as well as on Flipkart platform. So
Right.
how should I move ahead?
So you know what, I have a lot of inputs for you. Number one, because I already have written a book on entrepreneurship, you can do it. It's also available on Amazon, but the sales do not happen on its own, right? And if you are spending money, let's say, how much is your book priced at?
Paperback version will cost you around about 750 rupees. And
Okay.
the ebook version is of 100 rupees each.
Okay, now which one do you want to sell via Google Ads?
Paperback version.
The paperback?
Yeah.
Okay, so the paperback one you are going to take care of the logistics also yourself?
That Amazon will take care of it.
Okay. Now,
How I wanted that, suppose if ad is displayed to the public, then if somebody happens to click that ad, then the page will direct it to the Amazon platform, from where the buyer can place an order. I want that should happen.
yeah, I understand, but your investment versus the sales that you're going to generate, there will be a huge difference. Because what you are trying to achieve, even the people who are having books like Think and Grow Rich or 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, the popular ones are also not selling in this model, if you see. Because your cost of acquisition, as I said, for a 700 rupees book will be higher. And unless there is enough credibility built, this way of doing promotion, your front end cost will be much more. So I would rather advise you to convert your book into a course. Okay, convert it into a course, because this is what is working. The money that you're spending, you interact with people, and then book sale can be a add-on sale to your main product. Okay, why? Because your course you will be able to sell in thousands, but your book is below 1,000. Okay, so as I said, I'm not a Google ad expert, and in 4 years I haven't still tried Google ads, because the input I have received from my teams is that even for a 5,000 rupees course, Google ad is very expensive. Okay, and they have a minimum budget that you need to have. And generally, typically, those who have a budget of 2 lakhs per month can make the most of Google ads. So that is why you see the people like other high-end programs or other celebrated speakers go for Google ads.
Okay. So this is not the right option for you, mean to say that, right?
No, this is not the right option. Your the option will be have your book available on your website. See, right now this is the era of building a flywheel model. What is a flywheel model? You attract strangers with your get their attention. You give something to get their attention. Okay, and the content on your videos on your website, that is how you are going to attract their attention, by addressing their pain and also the gain. how they will benefit from your book, from your course, whatever it is. That is the first stage. Then second is once you have generated interest, a stranger visitor becomes a lead or a prospect. When does they become a lead or prospect? When they have given their name and email IDs to you. Then you engage and nurture them. How do you engage? Right now, it is the era. See, earlier this was not a proposition, but because of COVID, everybody is online. The people using Zoom. Everybody knows about webinar system, Zoom, and everything. If you take charge of your own book sale, now there's one more point, right? If you're directing them to Amazon, and you must be having a publisher who has posted on the Amazon, or you yourself has created the hard.
No, there is a publisher. There is a publisher.
Right. So now what happens is, suppose 700 rupees the book is being sold. How much you are going to get out of it? The publisher is going to keep, right?
Under hardly 200 rupees, something like that.
Exactly. So now look at this. You may be spending somewhere around 300, 400 in Google ad, or maybe more. Okay. 1,000 rupees on Google to sell your 700 rupees book. And how much money you are getting in your hand? 200, because rest is going to the publisher. Is it a viable way to do business?
Suppose if the books are sold in lots, then in that case.
Sorry?
Suppose if the books are sold in lots.
Yes. Because I also have a publisher. I also have book on Amazon. It is better from your website, if you sell the book, if you sell the ebook, in 100 rupees or 200 rupees, you will earn more. Your money will be in your hands. Okay. So I would strongly discourage you to do any kind of marketing for your book. Instead, because you have a book, if you convert it into a course, you will do well. Book you can give as a freebie, free bonus. So I was at the flywheel model, right? Amazon flywheel model, where you attract strangers, then you engage and nurture them, just like this, doing calls. 1 second, guys. My mother in Nagpur has been detected COVID positive. My brother is calling. I need to take this call. Just hold on.
You're from Nagpur?
Yeah. I am born and brought up at Nagpur. My mother is in Nagpur right now. Yeah. Yeah. So you attract attention, give them something free, engage with them like this on a weekly basis or through email marketing, or there are ways to engage with them, and give them so much value that they become your customers. And then you again, when they are your customers, you delight them, give them super value, because in online world it is all possible. Then they only start promoting you. So they become your brand ambassadors. That's the flywheel model, because your customer is the focal point of the complete business model. Okay. From the beginning, your focus revolves around customer. Yeah. Thank you so much, Sujit. Yeah. Thank you for your wishes. Right. So now, anyone else who has question, it will be great if you can unmute. I hope I have answered you, Mr. Rao.
Yeah, you have answered me, but still something is lingering in mind. Like, do I need to create a website of my own, or do, as you suggested earlier, to go with Google page, Google business page, right?
Nah, so you can do both. No, what is stop? Is it Google business? You can create on your own. You don't need any tech support, and it is free. Okay, you can set up, that is free for you. You can do that. See, simply making website is also not going to sell your book. It is just creating a credible online presence. Now the question that you should be asking is, should I convert my book to a course?
How to do that?
How to do that? You took my knowledge digitalization course. Please go through it. Okay, you will know how to do it.
Okay.
All right. Okay, great. May I have the next question? I am a meditation teacher. Oh, Milind, do you have a question? Milind, do you have a question? Shall I go to the next person then? Anil Kumar, how can I be benefited? With what? Anil Kumar, can you please come unmute yourself and speak? Your question is little incomplete. So I don't know, are you saying how this session will benefit you or?
Yes, how this session will benefited me to monetize my course, meditation course.
आपके पास already course है?
हाँ, meditation का है, meditation में सिखाता हूँ.
मतलब प्री रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स है या लाइव सेशन लेते हैं आप?
नो लाइव सेशन डिजिटली तो नहीं, ऐसे पहले लिया करता था सेमिनार्स में, लेकिन जब से लॉकडाउन और ये सब हुआ तो डिजिटली कुछ भी नहीं है और डिजिटली टोटली हम इलिटरेट ही हैं.
अच्छा, तो फिर आपको आपने मेरा कोर्स साइन अप किया है?
हाँ, साइन अप तो किया है, लेकिन आगे प्रोसेस समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि फिर करना क्या है.
देखिए आपको हेल्प, देखिए इफ यू आर नॉन टेक्निकल हैं आप, तो आपको प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज लेना पड़ेगा. अगर आप डू यू सी वैल्यू इन शिफ्टिंग टू ऑनलाइन? डू यू सी दैट इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क फॉर यू?
व्हाट, फिर से जरा.
मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि अच्छा, आपके पास कुछ डेटाबेस है आपके लोगों का, मेल आईडी, फोन नंबर्स?
फोन नंबर्स तो जो फोन में है वही है, कुछ है नहीं. कोर्स तो पहले फिजिकली कराता था सेमिनार के थ्रू, लेकिन डेटाबेस कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर जीरो से शुरू करना है.
Okay, so you have a very long, this is the journey you will have. आपको ऑफलाइन से ऑनलाइन डालना पड़ेगा, ऑफलाइन से ऑनलाइन आना पड़ेगा. और अगर आपको इसमें देखिए, मैं आपको नहीं रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आप सीखो. सो मार्केट में ना दो तरीके के अभी देर आर मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, ये जो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज कर रहे हैं बहुत सारे लोग. देखिए, अगर आप किसी के पास कुछ सर्विस लेने जाते हैं, राइट, जैसे आप क्या एग्जांपल लूं मैं, व्हाट एग्जांपल शुड आई टेक? सपोज एसी रिपेयर सर्विस. ओके, आप बोलेंगे यार मैं तो इलेक्ट्रिकल में बहुत अच्छा हूँ, मेरे को मजा आता है, तो मैं एसी का रिपेयर सर्विस खुद ही सीख लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो मैं अपने घर का रिपेयर करूंगा. तो आपने यू स्पेंड सम, आपने कुछ समय डाला एसी रिपेयर सीखने के लिए, और अब आप अपने घर का एसी खुद रिपेयर करना चालू कर दिया आपने, करेक्ट? अभी आस पड़ोस के लोग भी आपको एसी रिपेयर के लिए बुलाने लगे, तो आपने उससे थोड़ी सी इनकम भी कमा ली. ये एक तरीका हुआ, राइट? नाउ डिजिटल वर्ल्ड भी ऐसा ही है. अभी जो मार्केट में ट्रेनर, कोचेस, कंसल्टेंट है, अभी क्या हो रहा है, आपने आपके एसी सर्विस के 700 रुपए या 1000 रुपए आपने बचा लिए, क्योंकि आपने खुद कर लिया वो, करेक्ट? तो अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं अगर मैंने सीख लिया तो मेरा काम कम में हो जाएगा, राइट? अगर मैं खुद कर सकता हूं तो मेरे पैसे बच जाएंगे. लेकिन डिजिटल जो वर्ल्ड है, लोग ये रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं कि ये सीखना ऐसा नहीं है कि एक हफ्ते की ट्रेनिंग में आप मास्टर बन जाओगे डिजिटल में.
बिल्कुल, आपको
कम से कम ये जो डिजिटल, आपको जो स्पेशली जो कोर्सेज हैं, टीचर, ट्रेनर, कोर्सेज, कंसल्टेंट हैं, अगर आपको अपना बिजनेस ऑनलाइन लेके जाना है, जबकि मैं टेक्निकल थी, मैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर बाय बैकग्राउंड, आई हैव टेकन 4 years टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस होल थिंग. ओके, सो अगर आप नॉन टेक्निकल हैं और आप सीख के अपने ऊपर अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं ताकि आपके पैसे बच जाएं, तो ये जान लीजिए कि मैंने नहीं एक एग्जांपल बोल रही, मैं आपकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं जनरल लोगों की बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि ऐसा ही है. बिकॉज ऐसा पिच होता है कि आप खुद सीख जाइए, अपना खुद फेसबुक ऐड कीजिए, मैं आपको कैसे पैसे बनाना, यूट्यूब वीडियो से पैसे अर्न कीजिए. दैट इज व्हाट द लैंग्वेज इज पीपल यूज. तो एक तो हमारे मन में चल रहा होता है, हाँ यार अगर मैं खुद ही सीख गया तो अच्छा है, मतलब आई कैन बी इंडिपेंडेंट, दैट कैन बी वन रीजन, आई कैन सेव मनी, दैट कैन बी अदर रीजन. एंड देन फॉर सम पीपल, जैसे हमारे पवन कुमार जी हैं, वो स्पेस के नहीं है, लेकिन उन्हें बड़ा मजा आता है, क्रिएटिव्स बना रहे हैं, कैनवा में कुछ ना कुछ बना रहे हैं, और नाउ ही इज पोजिशनिंग हिमसेल्फ एज अ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पर्सन फॉर हिज कार इन ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री. तो उन्हें मजा आता है करने में. तो ये है, अगर आप सीख के इसको एज अपना बिजनेस सेट करना चाहते हैं तो इट इज वर्थ इन्वेस्टिंग. इट इज जस्ट लाइक आपने अकाउंट्स का पढ़ाई किया है, या आपने योगा सीखा है कहीं जाके, राइट, तो सीखा मतलब 2 साल 3 साल. सो ये डिजिटल वर्ल्ड है जो है ये इतना मतलब इट्स लाइक एन ओशन. So what I would recommend to you is you simply take professional services. आप जितना पैसा सीखने में स्पेंड करेंगे और फिर भी डॉट्स नहीं कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे, आप उतना पैसा थोड़ा सा और डाल के you hire and someone who will do this for you. You will be 3 महीने से 6 महीने के अंदर आपका बिजनेस अप हो जाएगा. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, आपको लॉन्ग टर्म में इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी आपको हेल्पफुल रहेगा वो. बिकॉज जैसे इसमें क्या होता है, शुरू में पैसा ज्यादा लगता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे आपको ऑनलाइन पिकअप करने लगता है आपका प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी गोज अप फ्रॉम 2x to 10x. पर वो 10x आने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. बट एक का 3 से 6 महीने में हो सकता है इफ यू आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग राइट. Okay, so right now I have started because pehle I was not doing the implementation part because that's not what I wanted to do. But मैंने realize किया है कि जो लोग मेरे community में आए हैं वहाँ उनकी गाड़ी अटक जाती है. वो बोलते हैं अच्छा वंदना तो बताओ किससे कराओ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. Now इतने लोगों को आता, but there are so many digital marketers but they don't know, उनका काम ही नहीं आता है उन्हें ठीक से. So I have now set up my team also. Okay. एंड टू एंड आपका पूरा इम्प्लीमेंट करके देंगे. आप अपना बस कोर्स डिलीवर करो, बट यू शुड बी विलिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन क्रिएटिंग दिस ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. Okay, and if you want to know more details you can simply message me on that number. I will share the details 1:1 with you. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I hope I answered for you.
हाँ, yes. मेरी भी चाहत यही कि मैं सिर्फ कोर्स को लोगों के पास लेके जाऊं ऑनलाइन.
Exactly. दिस इज द स्किल ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. अगर आप सही के एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं तो क्या आपको करना चाहिए और क्या आपको आउटसोर्स करना चाहिए. हैविंग दैट इंटेलेक्ट इंटेलिजेंस इटसेल्फ इज अ ग्रेट साइन ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. आपने जैसे बोला मैं सिर्फ सिखाना चाहता हूँ, बाकी मेरे को ये जो मेरा ऑफिस सेट करना है. सपोज अगर आप अपना सेंटर खोलते हैं तो आप बिल्डर को आर्किटेक्ट को दोगे ना कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट. खुद थोड़ी करने बैठ जाओगे, खुद थोड़ी करने बैठ जाओगे चलो मैं पेड़ भी मैं ही लगाऊंगा, गार्डनिंग भी मैं ही करूंगा, प्लम्बिंग भी मैं ही करूंगा, पूरी बिल्डिंग भी मैं ही बनाऊंगा. Exactly that logic people have to use in the online world also. That मेरा काम है योगा प्रोग्राम्स डिलीवर करना. करेक्ट. मेरा काम है मेरे को जो योगा प्रोग्राम अभी ऑफलाइन में जैसे एक ऑफिस होता है वैसे ऑनलाइन का ऑफिस क्रिएट करना है. तो भैया आपको डिजिटल आर्किटेक्ट डिजिटल बिल्डर लगेंगे ना.
बिल्कुल.
तो ये है. ओके, ऑल राइट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्रिंगिंग फॉरवर्ड दैट क्वेश्चन.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू.
ऑल राइट. Can we do the course in regional language? Superb. Please do it. Because if you are doing in English, you are competing with the world. If you are doing in regional language, you have cut down your competition drastically. In fact, I also want, if somebody wants to convert my program into the regional language, please talk to me, take my franchisee and convert it into your regional language. पका पकाया कंटेंट मिलेगा रीजनल लैंग्वेज में. आप, मैं बता रही हूँ, आप मुझसे ज्यादा अर्न करेंगे. So many people write to me कि आप अपना प्रोग्राम हिंदी में कीजिए. अब वो हिंदी बात करते करते इंग्लिश आ ही जाती है, राइट. सो you must create in regional language because the people who are doing program in regional languages, because that is untapped audience. ओके. बहुत जल्दी 100 200 500 स्टूडेंट्स तो बहुत जल्दी मिल जाएंगे आपको. Okay, Shalini Jain, I am a teacher and financial advisor and want my teaching. It will be great if those who have questions, you can come on the unmute yourself, come on video and speak, ask your question.
Hello.
Yeah, Shalini. Ashwini, okay, all right. Ashwini, you go ahead, then I will take Shalini.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Ashwini.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Actually, I am also a tutor, but right now I just shifted my offline classes to online.
Okay.
But it is my first time.
Okay.
So can you give me some tips or some guidance? Means I think that I'm just okay, but I want to do it best.
अच्छा, लेकिन आप क्या पढ़ाते हो?
स्पोकन इंग्लिश की क्लासेस कंडक्ट करती हूँ. Conducting spoken English classes.
So do you do it for what age group of people?
Means it is not means limited age groups. Means some are college going students, some are working women or men also.
अच्छा, तो ओके, सो अभी कैसे कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं?
Right now, Miss, I'm right now, Miss institution is not working, but I'm just planning to start it in from first May.
नहीं तो कैसे प्लान कर रहे हैं आप? जूम पे लेंगे, आपको लोग कहाँ से मिलेंगे? हाउ आर यू प्लानिंग टू डू इट?
Students are ready to come, but I'm thinking whether should I conduct it on Zoom or another one app. Zoom, Miss, I'm familiar with Zoom, but again, Miss, sometimes I feel like that I should do my best. It's just okay with me
ओके,
to
सो
handle. Means I'm newbie in this field.
ओके, सो देखिए मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आप जूम पे क्लासेस कर सकती हैं, बट उसमें एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि अगर हर बार आप लाइव सेशन कर रहे हो, लाइव सेशन, राइट, एवरी डे, सो इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ योर एनर्जी, लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम, एंड वही चीज रिपीट करना है बैच के लिए, राइट? एक बैच, दूसरा बैच. So I would recommend you. So see, right now, if you're going through financial challenges, right now it's good that you start conducting live classes. Okay, but in parallel, it is important that you record your course and put it on a learning management system. Now there are a lot more options. Okay, अपनी website पे host कर सकते हैं, but I'm not getting there because I don't recommend to do all of that. There are very nice, powerful tools which you can use and upload your courses there. उसका advantage ये होता है कि अभी खाली जब live session होता है, right now there is one Vandana. Right now my brother is calling, right now I have to go and do something, though I cannot because I am with you guys, right? बट अगर मेरा रिकॉर्डेड कोर्स रहता जो कि ऑलरेडी चल रहा है, आई थिंक यू आल्सो डाउनलोडेड, यू आल्सो एक्सेस माय कोर्स, सो व्हाइल यू आर एक्सेसिंग द कोर्स, व्हाट आई हैव डन, आई हैव क्लोन्ड वंदना. So different people are watching my programs at different times as per their convenience. And earlier I used to do 5-day WhatsApp classes. I have done like 11 batches, and I completely got drained out, though I love doing this because physical body can only take that much toil. Right? So what I recommend you to do is record your course. Now your question will be how to record the course, or please go over my course which I have given to you, complete that course, okay, and after that see if you want to do this. Okay, वो पूरा 2 घंटे का. Have you gone through my course? Have you accessed the course that I have given you? Ashwini?
No, not yet, ma'am. But I enrolled the name.
Enrolled, right?
I enrolled the name, ma'am, but not yet.
Please access it. 2 घंटे का है, पूरा देख लीजिए आप ये करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं. अगर करना चाहते हैं, एवरी ट्यूसडे आई एम गोइंग टू, वो कोर्स करने के बाद आपको कुछ डाउट्स हैं तो प्लीज आस्क हियर इन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म. This is a free session which will be held every Tuesday at 9 p.m. You can ask anything that is blocking your growth. Right now, आप simple Zoom पे चालू कर लीजिए ताकि because वो recording में थोड़ा सा time लगता है. So I don't want you to wait, if you can wait, great. Otherwise, if you cannot, then you simply do live sessions. Zoom link, simple तरीका है. मतलब जब you collect the payment, share the Zoom link and complete your courses. Whenever you do your courses, record your courses.
Okay.
Record.
Okay.
इसको रिकॉर्ड. ओके, इसी में से आप अपना इसी से आपका कोर्स बन जाएगा. जब आप लाइव सेशंस कर रहे हैं अपने ऑडियंस के साथ, हमेशा सॉरी
हेलो,
या अश्विनी, गो अहेड.
Thank you, ma'am. One more question, ma'am.
Yeah. Your voice is breaking, Ashwini. We will take your second question. Let me speak to Shalini. We'll take your next question.
Okay.
Yeah. Shalini, go ahead.
Hello, Vanna.
Hi.
I'm from Delhi, and I'm a teacher in the QMath, and there's a financial advisor plus calligrapher and the handwriting also specialist. So I want my teaching, this whole teaching field in the online, and I don't know how to work. I have just listened about the Google Educator platform there is, but I don't know how to operate all these things in online platform. And even I want to learn the phonics also for the children, small children. So is there anything through which I can go all through this on the online platform?
So, see, just going on the online platform is not the solution, number one. Number two, Google Classroom bhi hai ek, but there is something called learning management systems, right?
Okay.
Now, these are Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, these are the platforms, okay? There is one more platform, Zenler, which is coming up in the market, but it's on beta right now. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको ये कैलीग्राफी के लेसन्स वगैरह I am recommending everyone to digitize what you know, clone yourself, because in personal time you can only do little, and once you have thousands of students going through your recorded program, you can charge a little premium for your personal time. Okay, if you continue to do this way, first of all, because you are multiple courses you have, you will have to decide which is the course that you want to create. Do you want to do calligraphy? Do you want to do financial advising? What is it that you want to first, what is that you would like to create?
So I want the teaching from 1 to 5 students, because I am also taking the QMath as a math specialization program also. So I want that to teach the small kids. So I love that.
Okay, great. Then just simply, if you can see with the children, you need to interact 1:1, right? So uske liye aapko, you in long term, you can still record and you can engage with them only. You can say, aaj wo ye wala topic 10-minute video dekh ke aao, we will have a discussion.
Okay.
So you don't have to waste your energy repeating every day, next batch after next batch, same thing. एक बार रिकॉर्ड कर दिया and you can keep on fine tuning your course. अगर आपको लगता है कि today there was a better version, better delivery of my content, go and record that and update that in your course. Okay, so what happens is I'm just trying to see how you can conserve your energies. And then दूसरा advantage ये होता है when you are online, physical boundary आपके area के बच्चे नहीं चाहिए, आपको city के बच्चे, city के बाहर के बच्चे भी आपको मिलेंगे if you are a good teacher, right? So it is very important that you convert your knowledge into a course, and for that course that you have been given access to, knowledge digitalization, monetization, marketing, though I'm calling it a foundation course, it is much advanced course because I have much more to offer beyond that. So that I want you to understand that this is what it takes to go from offline to online. It is just not कि एक platform पे चले गए. See, we are doing session on Zoom. This is also offline to online, right? But it's about building a business. Right? जब आप एक business build करते हो, businesses के पास क्या होता है? They have housekeeping staff, they have security guard, they have receptionists, they have team, they have people. Same thing when you move from online to offline, you also have a team. Only difference is your team are the digital systems and tools.
Okay.
Your learning management system is your full admin department, course creation and admin department. Okay, so please go through that course. It is very important that you access the course. एक sitting में बैठ के पूरा 2 घंटा complete कीजिए, या day 1, another day 1, day 2, and then you see if you want to take this journey, then you guys can let me know. Okay, I can help you shift completely from offline to online. I have changed the way I have been doing things in the past because I know that people get stuck at various places. End to end, if you want to move online, you can sign up with me and my team as your consultant mentors, and we will take you completely from offline to online. It is a 3 months to 6 months journey. Okay? All right. Thank you so much for your question. Thank you for asking that question. And I hope I have answered it for you. Who's going next? Sujit?
मैडम मैं
महेश कुमार जी बोलिए.
नमस्कार वंदना मैडम.
Namaskar.
Myself Mahesh Kumar from Bangalore. I'm a voice actor actually.
Okay.
And my niche is voice acting only. I'm doing the same thing. I'm following the Siddharth Rajshekhar this one system, ILH. Internet Lifestyle Hub. I'm part of that silver level. And
Okay.
I'm doing this from past 2 years actually. And
Okay.
I'm doing that one in Kannada language, regional language.
Yes.
But the inquiry is very less actually.
So what are you doing to generate inquiry?
I am doing the social, this one media advertisements, and sometimes I will offer free webinars.
Okay, sometimes nahi, that is a challenge, right? So because you are part of Siddharth's tribe, look at, I don't know since how long you know Siddharth. He, from May 2018, he has, every week he has been conducting session after session, session after session, and now multiple sessions. So this online knowledge business requires consistent effort. So most of the people, what they do is on and off, they will run Facebook campaign for 2-3 days. 2,000-2,500 रुपए खर्चा हो जाता है. Then they say, अरे leads नहीं आए, खर्चा हो गया, and they stop the campaign. Okay.
See, the thing is, earlier I used to conduct the online campaign for so many days, but the result is very less actually. What
So
the money I was putting for ads, I was not getting back. So that's why what I thought, let me go with live classes. Almost I have done around 30-35 workshops, basic level and advanced level program also around 7 to 8. But the thing is, even though I am spending a lot of money for ads and all, I'm not getting the proper clients or students.
Right. So you have a little advanced problem. So we have to look at your ads. Now what happens is, a lot of people think that they have set the ad and they will start getting results, right? The problem is in the ad copy. Okay, so now in ILH, Siddharth is teaching you how to do many things, right?
Yeah.
But how to review your ad? Who will review your ad copy? Who will review? That is very important, right? So there is a specific format to write your ad copy. Now with your understanding, you would have written the ad copy. आपने लिखी ad copy or have you taken professional services?
No, madam, myself I'm only doing.
Can you by the time okay, let's do this next session. Please attend. Give me your details on the next session. I want to see your website. I want to see your video, and I want to see your ad copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to look at what is the problem. देखिए, if your web presence is not credible enough, people will not join. Okay, number one. If you are doing videos but you're not doing it in a format that resonates with people, आप सब मेहनत कर रहे हैं. You know, it's like you're running on the treadmill. You're taking actions, you're doing everything, investing money, but you're not reaching anywhere. Why? Because you have now you need little expert sales and marketing strategies.
Yeah.
Okay, so that could be the problem. Now you understood the systems, you are doing everything, but it is about making sure that people give attention. See, I recently worked with one of my participant. He took personal consulting, one session only, and we fine-tuned his website, we fine-tuned his ad copy. Okay, so what happens is once you do that, you can then after that it is all about looking at the targeting also, because Facebook works on this ABC format, which is audience, budgets, and creatives.
And one more doubt what I have is, see, what we like from the bottom of our heart, we have to take it as a niche, right?
Right.
So for my niche, I think demand is less. Even though I search.
Yes. No, I have two inputs here. It's not your niche demand is less. You have to create the need. Why become voice artist? Instead of, that you will have to do a lot of videos on that. And you have to see there is a whole strategy you need. See, you are, and moreover, if you do in a regional, you must also do in English. Why? Because a lot of
the confidence level, what I can do in my regional language is not there in English actually, because the examples what I gave and the way I take the class.
I think we will have to look into detail of what exactly you are doing, everything. Then I'll be able to give you a lot more insight. But as such, upfront, when you feel there is not enough requirement, that means you have not created enough need in the market. See, you have to tell people what are the different kinds of jobs they can get when they do take up this voice modulation. A lot of people in BPO need that voice modulation. A lot of people in customer services need those voice modulation. People becoming actress and actors need voice modulation. Have to see, it depends on how you are communicating your business, right? What is the value it will bring, right? How they will get an edge if they do this program. So it's all about the value communication you will do for your own business. I also see that people don't know how to communicate their own business. People are not able to clearly tell the value they are bringing in the life of their audience. And that itself you need expert services to be able to see how to represent your business better, how to make sure that you're communicating value, and in your case, creating a need in the marketplace. So you can do videos on these lines. Why you should become a voice artist.
Okay.
Or why you should work on your voice. Right? If you do that, see, you can give a spiritual touch also to this, right? Everything in universe is vibration and sound. A lot of people tell me in my program, they heard the video, they liked my sound, and that is why they came to the program. All right, so there is a lot of things that can be done. We need to see, but next week, next Tuesday, I would like to review your complete thing end to end, your website, ad copy, your website, and if I can give you some 3 or 4 insights that you can work upon, that will be great.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
All right.
And where we can get the bonuses, madam?
Yeah, bonuses, you will get email, registered email ID. The bonuses will be given 1 per week. Okay. And on the WhatsApp also, I'm sending the bonuses 1 per week. So the first one, you should have already received my book, ebook on the WhatsApp. And you will also get it in the email. And in fact, let me show you how you can access the bonuses. 1 second, everyone. I will just share my screen and show you how you got the link to that. You got the link to my you can do it ebook, right? You got the link to my you can do it ebook, right?
No, not yet.
Okay, maybe we will see if you did you WhatsApp us that you hi Vandana, I have joined your program.
Yeah. That is a default message.
When did you send that?
Half an hour before, I think.
So it takes little. Okay, so it is not manual. I mean, it is not like automated the way I am working with interacting with you guys right now. It is not.
Maybe I think you only replied, madam. Is it a request or are you demanding like that? Some message.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So all right. I'm sharing with you how to. Yeah, I responded to that. I'm going to show you how to access your bonuses. So once you get the link, I hope all of you are able to see this. I'm just going to forward. Where's my other phone?
Is there any WhatsApp group, madam, for this?
No, I didn't make
WhatsApp
any group.
or VIP group kind of?
No, I didn't make any group because people take advantage of the groups. They copy others' number and start spamming people and all. So I haven't made any WhatsApp group for this. Okay, but I'm just going to show you something. I just want to show all of you. You would have received. 1 second. One second, I just need to open my WhatsApp here, and I'm just going to show you. Some of you would have received you will definitely get an email, okay, with the details. Okay. But I'm trying to give it from many places. In the email you will get, as soon as you go and click on the link from InstaMojo, you will get it, and also on WhatsApp. So I'm giving you your bonuses from 3 places, okay. So
Okay.
let me show you how the moment you click the link for the bonus, your bonuses are here, right? This one, create high converting website, catchy headline generator, and this book, entrepreneurship book, right? So once you get this link, right? Once you get this link, okay, you basically have a free one. So you will be having I'm having a discount code for this. 1 second. Okay, this has opened up. I can simply show from here as well. Let me see if I can show from here. Yeah, so this is the kind of messages we are sending on WhatsApp, right? So after this, immediately you will get a bonus. Okay, it's not here. 1 second. This is my personal number, so I need my other. Give me a moment. I'll just get my other phone, guys. Give me one.
Okay. Madam, you are muted actually. Voice is not coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for letting me know. So this is the message you will get. Claim here, your bonus here. So once you click on this link, it is going to take you to InstaMojo, right? The moment you say buy now, Mahesh, I'm going to give you right away the bonus so you can do it in parallel because I know you messaged me.
Yeah.
What's your last? I got it. Okay.
Yeah.
YCDI. She would have got the message now on your WhatsApp, right? Click on that. Yes.
Okay.
For every bonus, you are going to get the bonus like this, okay? You click this, you claim for free, you will receive mail from InstaMojo, mail from Vandana Mehrotra also, and you can actually download the bonus right here.
Yes, madam.
Here. And InstaMojo gives you a receipt, right? So that you will also receive an email with the download details. You will also receive an email from my Vandana Mehrotra mail ID, and you also are getting the bonuses on the WhatsApp. Only thing is, I want you to go through it. It is not a good thing to. It is not a good thing to keep collecting, bonuses and courses and not completing them. So
No, madam. You told to write powerful words in our ad copy, right? That's why I'm asking actually.
Yeah, no. We planned it. See, I can simply give all the bonuses on WhatsApp PDF. But what happens is I am giving time 1 week after 1 week, one bonus. So you finish, you at least read that. Take this week, so you don't have any other thing in hand. You're not having anything in your, you don't have the next bonus. So what you have only one, so you will go through it. Next week, I am going to give you the other bonus. Week 3, other bonus. Week 4, another bonus. So all 4 bonuses on WhatsApp or on emails will be given to you one in 1 week. Okay. So the first bonus is already given.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
No problem. Let me see who else has question. Please unmute yourself and we can take your question. I hope I have answered your question. Next week, please share your ad copies and website with me and we will review that.
Yes. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
No.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for asking your question and participating in the session. Who else, Sujit? Are you there? Anyone else who would like to ask any question? Anyone else who is struggling to access the Teachable course? Anybody has any questions? If not, we can. Anyways, 5 minutes are left. So let me see in chat if anyone has. Sujit is saying, I want to empower people to get basic knowledge.
Madam, sorry.
Yeah.
Madam, can you hear me? Sorry.
Go ahead.
Can we get the recordings of this session? Suppose if we join late. Hello.
I want people to join actually. So these are live sessions. I am not sure at this stage whether I will give the recordings or not. I'll simply upload it because it is a lot of overhead. But what is the point? See, okay. Over last 4 years, I have also realized that whatever you learn in the live session, you learn. So many people here in this tribe have actually gone through many of my sessions. Nobody has time to go over 2 hours of recorded sessions. Okay, I can give you, I have no problem. Okay, but it makes more sense to come live and get your things answered. Because right now on YouTube itself, I have more than 200 hours of content. People who attended my 5-day WhatsApp classes, I don't know if Pavanji is here. Let me ask him. Pavanji, did you go and look at the course? Anytime?
Sorry.
So, it's a human. I'm a little straightforward person, so please forgive me if you don't like the way I speak.
No, it is right. Okay, right.
But I see that because I was also like this. I have also bought a lot of courses. I feel, hai na mere paas kabhi bhi dekh lungi, and I never opened them. Okay, and whichever sessions I had to attend live, I made the most of it. So I also want that people should come live every Tuesday. Commit yourself. I am willing to give my time. I am willing to give my insights from businesses. There's so many businesses, 7 diverse businesses in last 14 years of entrepreneurship and 24 years of work life, right? I'm willing to share. I'm willing to commit my time. So I want people to come live and get your questions answered. Okay, there is nothing here to be looked and go back and revise it. Versus the course that you have signed up for, it makes sense to go over that course. Have you completed that course that you signed up for?
Yeah, I'm watching, madam. Actually.
Great, finish that. Okay, that is something that you can keep repeating because every time you listen to it, you will learn something new.
Yeah, daily I'm listening the strangest secret afterward.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Thank you so much. Mahesh, bonus is done. Smita, ma'am, management consultant and trainer. My domain is real jewelry. Recently, I started my own consultancy working in Maharashtra. How to reach my clients? See that is jewelers. Okay. See, there is not just one answer, Smita. Smita, are you there? Are you there, Smita? Whoever.
Yes, I'm here. Yes. I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes, Smita, go ahead and ask your question.
You already read that, ma'am. Yeah. Just I want to ask that only.
Awesome. Okay. So see, this is the challenge of most people, right? How to reach your target audience. And there is a whole setup. I call it the digital factory setup.
Okay.
Okay. So to reach your target, see, the only work when the only work left once you have created your products is it's called traffic and conversion. Traffic means reaching out to your clients by ways of various types of ads that you will be doing. Facebook campaigns, YouTube ad, all those things. Okay. So that is a work that you will have to do forever, which is generating traffic, which is attracting your target audience and then converting them to your customers, conversion, sales. So basically what you are asking is marketing and sales. But to be able to reach at that stage, on the offline world में अगर आपका होता तो आप एक ऑफिस लेते, right? ऑफिस लेते, स्टाफ रखते, टीम बनाते, right? So same thing in the online world, you will have to make sure that you created enough online presence.
मैम एक्चुअली ऑफलाइन में मैंने किया हुआ है, लास्ट 4 ईयर से मैं वो कर रही थी, बट अभी कैसे हो गया कि पूरा सिचुएशन चेंज हो गया है, राइट? तो ऑफलाइन भी होता है, कभी ऑफलाइन कभी ऑनलाइन ऐसे तो आई वांट टू डू दैट इन ऑनलाइन भी और ऑफलाइन भी, दोनों मुझे करना है। बट मुझे ऑनलाइन का टेक्निक नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि हाँ आपने जैसे बोला कि सोशल मीडिया पे प्रेजेंस अपना दिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, ये तो उसका वे भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, और क्लाइंट को कैसे कनेक्ट करना ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
आप have you signed up for my course, that teachable course?
Yeah, recently.
Please complete that. It tells you whatever it takes to build your online presence. Okay. It will tell, there are 3 stages of knowledge business.
Yes.
Okay. In your case, it depends whether you want to create digital products or not. Okay. वो ऑप्शनल है, आपको डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट बनाना है, लेकिन मैं if you are in my community, I don't want to give you it as an option. I want you to create your digital product. Okay. Because as I said, you're cloning yourself, and you can be free. And mostly you must be seeing that there are same set of things you keep telling to all the jewelers.
Yes.
Right. So that same set of things that you keep repeating with all the jewelers, you simply digitize it once.
Okay.
Okay. And then when they become your, you are trying to reach out to them, you give that as a free course.
Okay.
Let them understand what you can do with. See, एक बात बताइए, this is for everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Offline अगर आप किसी दुकान में कुछ लेने जाते हैं, तो आपको लगता है हाँ ये यहाँ शॉप है, ये बहुत दिनों से है, ये बड़ा शोरूम है, राइट? एक छोटी गली में ज्वेलरी शॉप रहेगी, you will prefer to buy from there, or you will prefer to go to a big showroom.
Big showroom.
Big showroom. Why? Because there is, in your mind, you are trusting कि अरे ये लोग cheat नहीं करेंगे, right? Okay, they, you have there is some trust you develop. They are credible. ये सारी चीजें आपके दिमाग में subtly हो रही हैं.
Yes.
So you decide to go and buy from them. Same thing in the online world. When Smita is a management consultant, Smita has to create an online office. Okay?
Yes.
That online office should look grand.
Okay.
And your online office, your website, your content, your videos, what you are sharing, your knowledge, that becomes your dukan, online dukan.
Okay.
So why would somebody sign up with you? Online तो देखा भी नहीं है आपको, ना तो आपको ऑफिस है, तो कहाँ आपको मतलब ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करना पड़ता है.
Exactly.
It is creating a credible online presence first.
Okay, ma'am.
There is a strategy to do it.
Okay, ma'am.
And once you are done with that, okay, then your work is marketing, which is reaching to your clients, generating traffic.
Okay.
And now you are not the only management consultant. Now there may be hundreds of management consultants who are ahead of you.
Yeah.
They are already online present. Then why should somebody choose Smita? Right? And online तो ऐसा भी नहीं है, फिजिकल दुकान है, अगर एक ही शहर में 4 जगह जाना है तो भी एक बार ही जाएगा. But ऑनलाइन में तो बैठे बैठे 10 मिनट में गूगल सर्च में they will find 10 different management consultants. LinkedIn में जाके they will find. So after when going through these 10, either Smita has never come in these 10, number one.
Yes.
Or even Smita has come, Smita has not done her work properly. She's not made her videos properly. Okay?
Yes.
Implement something. So somebody else has done a better job. So उसको काम मिलेगा. Smita को क्यों काम मिलेगा?
Very true.
So it is very important to create a credible online presence, and I teach all of that, how to do all of that. Okay.
Okay.
Gradually, it's like years of learning squeezed into some hours. Okay. In my earlier business satsang, there are 4 sessions. I will share I don't know where to share because I have many groups right now. So maybe I will do a WhatsApp broadcast, or in the emails, I will send the link of those sessions.
Please.
2-hour session. You can watch how to create a credible online presence, 6 components of a lead generating website, how to write catchy headlines, the 6 types of must-have videos. I have done some of the people have attended all those past business satsang.
I am in your Telegram list also, ma'am.
Then you scroll back, you can see the previous chats, it is there.
Okay, but I joined recently. Today, I joined it today morning.
Yeah, okay, but I have set my setting is anybody is joining at any point in time, they can see the full chat.
Okay, okay, okay. I see.
But
I
if
see.
you
I will
are
check
still
there.
not, don't worry, I will send it again, so you guys can watch. Those are very
Yes.
powerful.
Thank you
schemes.
so much, ma'am.
You guys can watch. Yeah, thank you so
Yes.
much.
Thank you so much,
I
ma'am.
guess- Yeah, thank you, Smita, for asking that question, and thank you for participating.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
All right, let's see if Milind, Sujit. Thank you, Milind, for your offer. Yeah, if I need your help, I will reach out to you. Thank you so much. Sujit? If you are there, we will take your question. Otherwise, Ashwini had one more question, and then we can wind off today's session. Okay, I don't think both of them are there. All right. So anyone else has any questions? Otherwise, I will see you next Tuesday, 9 p.m. Whatever is bothering you, whatever you're not able to do, please get that addressed. Okay. And your website, the way you have done your videos, and please participate, and I'll help you get your growth blockers addressed in my capacity. Whatever I know, I'd like to help you out. So I will see you next Tuesday, 9 p.m. then. Okay, guys. Pawan ji, आपको कुछ question है?
No, ma'am, मैं कल बात करूँगा.
चलिए ठीक है, okay, no problem. चलिए, take care everybody. Good night, and keep growing, keep evolving.
Yes.
Bye for now.